Okay, hi guys, it is 4 o'clock in the evening now, so I'm going to take my medication. Oh, and I wanted to say I'm no longer going to do the little little bee I planned, I posted about. I'm now going to do this unicorn for my sister's child. My sister's child's child. For her little daughter. She's unicorn mad. So it's a diamond dot unicorn, and I'm gonna do it for her for her birthday. Yeah, and yet again, thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos, because I actually just do this as a motivation to keep myself busy, to look forward to something, and to give myself goal and purpose in life. But yeah, so here I go. Mamma mia. Here I go again. I don't have to throw in the lid because it's a new bottle. Way too much. Way. I know when I'm in a lot of pain like today, I do take Synaleve. It's a Schedule 5 spasm opiate mixed in one tablet to actually help me just with handling the pain. But it doesn't work. It didn't work yesterday, the day before, and it also didn't work today. Maybe tomorrow will be a bit better, but it's bad because when you scale down, you get like very sick for the first 7 to 14 days. Even if it's a more like this much. Even if it's this much, it's the same story all over again. You flu, you sneeze, you get goosebumps, you get tics that I do get every morning. Believe me, you guys can see on some of my videos I've been waking up and I was in active withdrawal in the morning, every morning. Same story over and over and over again. But yeah, all I can do is have faith, hope, and believe that maybe I'll make it. Bye.